let's do some nails. Do I have anything incriminating up there? Other than the state of Arkansas trying to shut me down because I didn't give them my $20 1 month. Oh, they're so hateful. Oh, it's that Mommy's been doing your nails. So kind of if you're just new at this, remember the 3-second rule, and that is not more than 3 seconds. If you do them twice a week, that's enough. You want up here? You want your nails done? So, very good temperament. Now, if you got into the cuticle, she would fuss because it would hurt. So if you'll just keep doing them, they'll know how to have their nails done when they're big. You don't have a hernia, but you don't have a hernia. I've only had one in all my years ever pop a hernia.